Want to receive USDT on Coinbase without accidentally losing your crypto in the digital abyss? Let's dive straight into finding your USDT wallet address. First, head over to Coinbase.com and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. Once you're logged in, look for the Assets tab, usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it to see a list of all your cryptocurrencies. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find USDT, also known as Tether. Click on USDT to access its specific wallet information. On the USDT page, you should see a Receive button. Click on this button. It's usually blue or a similar prominent color. This action will reveal your USDT wallet address. Here's your unique USDT address. Pay close attention because Coinbase may offer different networks for USDT, such as Ethereum ERC20. Ensure that the network matches the senders to avoid losing your funds. Double-check this step. To avoid errors, always use the copy icon next to the address to copy it to your clipboard. You can also use the QR code, which is perfect for mobile wallets and makes transferring crypto even easier. Just scan and go. Before sharing this address, triple-check it. Even a small mistake could mean your USDT ends up in the wrong hands, so be vigilant. And that's it. You've successfully found your USDT wallet address on Coinbase. Remember to prioritize security and double-check all details before any transaction. Happy cryptoing!